Welcome to the world of Renegade RV, where luxury and adventure meet. Today we're thrilled to introduce to you a luxury RV that is unlike any other motor coach, Classic. There's a Classic ready to be personalized to fit your on-the-road lifestyle, and each provides top-of-the-line comfort. Every element of the Classic is built around you. With 16 distinct floor plans and multiple unique floor plan layout configurations, you can personalize your Classic to match your taste and preferences. The wide radius entrance doors come with a screen and deadbolt, making it easy to keep your belongings safe and secure. The slides on each unit stay protected with a slide topper and roof-mounted lateral arm awning that comes with LED lights. An optional second awning can be added for additional support on most floor plans. The frameless dual-pane tinted windows provide stunning views, a tilt-opening design, and screens for optimal ventilation. The exterior is further enhanced with side-hinged baggage doors with strut assist and chrome paddle latches. The keyless entry door touchpad lock and remote system allows you to easily lock and unlock your baggage doors. Classic comes standard as a solid white non-painted unit. However, there are 3 different paint options that allow you to apply your unique design flair. Step inside the Classic and you'll discover porcelain tile flooring with optional heat for a world of luxury and convenience. Featured here is the Summit Decor, with 2 more available decor options. Sit down and relax in your ultra-leather furniture, featuring 4 unique color options. Rest in your fold-out sleeper sofa, ideal for accommodating extra guests. Or for a cinematic experience, choose our optional power reclining theater seats. All of this is embodied in maple hardwood cabinetry in 4 color stain options and 2 finish options. Share meals and laughter with your loved ones at the dinette booth, the perfect spot for engaging in lively conversations with family and friends. Your walls are finished with soft touch padded vinyl, completing your interior decor. Classic's kitchen is a dream come true. With an 18 cubic foot French door residential refrigerator with an ice maker and stainless steel finish. The flush mount 2-burner induction cooktop provides a sleek cooking surface. You can also opt to recess the cooktop and add solid surface covers for an expanded prep surface. The stainless steel convection microwave oven offers convenience for all your cooking needs. The stainless steel single bowl kitchen sink provides modern appeal. And throughout the coach, you'll find solid surface countertops. The 40-foot and longer Classics are equipped with 3 15,000 BTU low-profile roof ACs and heat pumps with a chill grill, ensuring optimal temperature control and comfort. The AquaHot dual-zone cabin heating system, which can be upgraded to a triple-zone unit, provides continuous hot water and ideal climate control throughout the coach. Adding to the overall luxury and convenience, opt for the stackable washer and dryer. The Classic makes entertaining easy. The living area boasts a 43-inch LED 4K smart TV and soundbar with subwoofer. Depending on wardrobe layout, the bedroom has the option for a 32-inch or 43-inch LED 4K smart TV. The exterior entertainment center features a 43-inch 4K LED smart TV with a soundbar on a swivel arm and USB charging. Stay connected with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 rooftop over-the-air antenna with Wi-Fi and 4G capability. And never miss a moment with the WineGuard InMotion satellite system. Step into the Classic's bathroom, featuring a solid surface shower surround with a sliding glass door, high-capacity on-demand water pump, and satin nickel bath faucet and adjustable shower head, providing a lavish bathing experience. You'll also find a porcelain macerator toilet with a convenient push button. Thanks to the 12.5 kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator, automatic generator start system, and the optional dual 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter, power is never a concern. Manage your RV's multiplex lighting system settings through our user-friendly Bluetooth app on your phone. Each Classic unit is equipped with 2 330 amp hours AGM house batteries and has the option to upgrade to lithium batteries for up to 1080 amp hours for reliable electricity. Conveniently retract the 50 amp power cord reel, which is paired with an automatic transfer switch and surge protection. Additionally, add the optional 600-watt solar charging system. The Classic has 4 chassis options available. The Freightliner Cascadia has an upgraded cab sound system including amplified cab speakers and subwoofer. The premium touchscreen dash radio has Bluetooth and an integrated color monitor to view the rear and side cameras. Additionally, some units come integrated with GPS with RV navigation. Classic boasts a remarkable 30,000-pound towing capacity for the adventurers at heart, allowing you to bring your favorite toys for endless outdoor fun. Discover more chassis offerings from one of our authorized Renegade Classic dealers. Your journey is backed by our commitment to quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty. 1 year limited unlimited miles and 3 year structural 36,000 miles coverage. The Renegade Classic offers a luxurious and adventurous travel experience. With its impeccable design, superior craftsmanship, and top-of-the-line features, every journey in Classic will be memorable. Embrace the freedom to explore with Renegade RV.